बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में एक ऐसे पूछा जाता है एनी ग्रेट लीडर, और इसमें हम महात्मा गांधी के ऊपर ऐसे बता रहे हैं। ये जो ऐसे है ए ग्रेट का ऐसे है, इसमें कोटेशंस वगैरह का सबका यूज़ किया गया है, तो ये काफ़ी इफ़ेक्टिव ऐसे है जो आपको फुल मार्क्स दिला सकता है। सबसे पहले हम इसकी शुरुआत करेंगे कोटेशंस से। Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sand of time. This is said by H.W. Longfellow. Up introduction. Great people are not ordinary people with extraordinary amounts of determination. Some are born great, some are made great, and there are some whom greatness is thrust upon. Gandhiji was born great. He is the most dazzling star in the horizon of modern India. He was an apostle of peace. His early life. The history of a nation is the biography of his great men. कैटाइल का कोटेशन है, लाइफ इज एन एंडलेस सीरीज ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. M.K. Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was the Diwan of Rajkot state. His mother, Putlibai, was a religious lady. He was married at the age of 13 years of Kasturba. She was a simple lady and assisted him all her life. Education. Education is a continuing process from the minute we born until we die. Indira Gandhi. A man is born free, but everywhere he is bound in chains. At the age of 7, he was sent to school. He was an average student. He never told a lie. Even in the building of his character for higher education, he was sent to England. There he studied law and became a barrister. He started his practice at Bombay. At court, he never took a false case. His work in South Africa. When work is pleasure, life is joy. When work is duty, life is slavery. He went to South Africa in a case. The condition of the Indian was very bad. There, the English people tortured them. He fought for their rights. His struggle for freedom. Freedom is the right to one's dignity as a man. M.K. Gandhi. Gandhiji started struggle for freedom. He started non-cooperation, satyagraha and Quit India movement. He loved truth and ahimsa. Under his leadership, India became free on 15th August 1947. His greatness. Men become great exactly in the degree in which he works for the welfare of his fellow men. Mahatma Gandhi was not only a political leader, he was great in other things as well. He worked for the unity of the Hindus and Muslims. He loved truth and ahimsa throughout his life. He loved Harijans and the poor most. He helped all. He was truly religious, so he was called Mahatma. He was called Bapu and father of the nation. His death. Wonderful is the best courage that conquers death. Jawaharlal Nehru. Though India got freedom, Gandhiji was not happy. There were Hindu-Muslim riots and a lot of bloodshed. He tried to bring harmony back. The bitterness needed sacrifice and took his life. He was shot dead by Nathuram Godse, Godse आएगा, on 30th January 1948. He left the world with his last word, Ram. The angel of peace left us forever. All the country mourned his death. Some reaction were as follows. Nehruji said, "Light has gone out of our lives and darkness is everywhere." And, "Oh, Indian, we saved Gandhi, but you killed him." Another, "The word is to come will never believe that such a man with the same flesh and blood as we have." Gandhiji short date the Christ has been crucified a second time. Perles Buck का sentence है ये. Now next point is his place. If you have guts, you can leave ruts. Gandhiji was not just a political leader, he was a social reformer and economist, philosopher and sant who loved the people of his country. He didn't want just political freedom, but real freedom from ignorance, hunger, hatred and poverty. Now last, the conclusion. Man is not divine. His divine state is something to be built up by good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. By Swami Dayanand. He didn't possess the authority of a king. He didn't possess the power of a general, of a millionaire. He was a simple man clad in a cloth, but he set the stamp of his personality on any book. We are proud of our Bapu.